Hello friends, in this video let's see how to handle missing values using Pandas data frame. Let's first load our data into our data frame. Yep, the data got loaded. When you load the table into the data frame using Pandas, if the values are missing, it will be stored as NaN values like this. Here in this data frame you could see we have many NaN values, an entire row with full of NaN values and some NaN values here and there. We have two functions in Pandas to handle this, and they are dropna and fillna. Before working with those functions, let's see what are all our objective today with this data frame. Our first objective is to remove this entire NaN row, and then the second one would be if the price column has a NaN value, then we should remove the entire row. If the age is not available, we should fill it with the mean of the total age column. And our final objective is to display an empty cell instead of NaN. First, let's try to remove this empty row. For this, we need to use dropna function. Let's put df.dropna, open the bracket, put how equal to all. We are mentioning how equal to all to specify that we need to drop the rows which contain NaN values in all the cells, and then in place equal to true. Now print the value. We are using this in place equal to true to directly modify the data in the data frame instead of just giving us a copy. As you could see, the 9th row has been removed from our data frame. And to remove the rows for which the prices are null, let's use df.dropna, open the bracket, subset equal to price, and then put a comma, in place equal to true. Print the data frame. The rows has been removed for which the prices have been null. And for our third objective, we need to put the mean of the age column if the age column has any NaN value in it. Let's see how to do it. We need to use fillna function here. Let's put df of age. Since we only need to change the values in the age column, we are using this fillna, open bracket, put df of age and put dot mean, open bracket, close bracket, put in place equal to true. Print the df and run it. We could see the values in the 5th and 8th column are changed to mean of the age column instead of NaN value. And for our final objective, we need to put blank instead of all the NaN values. This is the easy one. Put df.fillna, open bracket, put just a double quotes, comma, in place equal to true. Print data frame. Now let's just run to see the results. The NaN is removed and just an empty blank cell has been placed there. We'll also attach the official description of dropna and fillna in the description of this video. Thank you.